Oh my god, I can't drink it all.
Did you get suspended again?
No, Dad, I didn't.
What did you do this time?
I didn't do anything, Dad. I promise. Man.
Come on, man.
What?
What's wrong?
Mommy, my eyes won't open.
Yeah, they are. Oh, no, they're
My
not.
eyes!
Open them up.
I can't!
Open your eyes up.
Mommy, they're not opening.